roughly 12 weeks' time, the first RHS Chatsworth Flower Show will open.
Today, work started on what will be the largest garden at the show. The Quarry Garden will celebrate the centenary of the Institute of Quarrying.
And as you might expect, it includes a stone or two, as Maurice Flynn reports.
Quarrying and stonemasonry are among our oldest industries, but they have kept with the times. At this site near Ashbourne, robots now do the heavy lifting. While UK quarrying practices lead the world in environmental standards, it's still an industry accused of scarring the landscape. So to mark 100 years, the Institute of Quarrying hopes its garden at Chatsworth will challenge preconceptions.
Quarrying is embedded throughout our entire lives, whether we know it or not. It builds our roads, our homes, our schools, our hospitals. The garden's very much showing the products that we can produce and required for the UK economy, but also how to do that responsibly and actually what you can get at the back end of this through managing environmental issues properly throughout the process and life of a quarry.
The Quarry Garden will be the largest at Chatsworth, roughly 1.5 times the size of the largest at Chelsea.
We're planting them to look established, but it's not actual horticulture.
Its designer is using the project to give experience to Nottingham Trent students studying horticulture at Brackenhurst.
As you journey through the garden, you have a very naturalistic state. It moves into something that's really quite harsh and uncompromising, and then into a space which is very beautiful and plays with light and shade. So it's kind of talking about the quarry, its extraction, how artists are inspired by it, and how we use the landscape and how we use the materials from the landscape.
Initially, it was like we didn't know anything about quarrying, so we had to go away and research it and find out. It's been a learning curve right from the start.
It's really raised my expectations and inspired me to want to go further with it.
It's like a complete different ball game. You approach them so differently to how you approach a sort of domestic garden.
And these are some of the stones that will feature in the garden. They're a composite made from 82% recycled material. The future of quarrying and the future of landscaping, perhaps. Maurice Flynn, East Midlands Today, Holland Ward.
We should look forward to seeing that.